Each of these attitudes represents sets of neuropathways in the brain, mainly set up for survival to protect the overall structure. These emotions cause the nerves to reflex muscles and tendons and cause adrenals to start pouring into the bloodstream the adrenal hormones to allow the closing down of the intestinal processes that force the blood in the muscles for an emotional defense. Emotions are Neuronet programs that code the emotional body that reacts accordingly. These emotions tire the body due to shutting down cell site receptors to nutrients because it's starving to fight. It refuses to eat and stores it as fat. Then the body produces a disease because of this acid-based environment. The emotions of pain, insecurity, fear, war, doubt, success, failure, lack, prejudice is out of survival and ego, which leads to a focus of need, which means you are in lack. This is why the majority of us sell out to our needs and our emotions due to survival, instead of evolving by attaining knowledge and wisdom.
I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada. No trust. Liar. Here, take this. You find him, you put that on. You hide.